Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This video is a little different. No welding, it's just gonna be racing. We are in beautiful Bakersfield, California.
Stop the cap!
I got the G80 behind me, my old 340s here, and along with a bunch of other cars. We'll be going to Bakersfield airstrip to do half-mile racing. There's gonna be a lot of cars there. I'll show you our lineup that we have here, including mine and BMS's cars. So yeah, stay tuned, you don't wanna miss this one. So of course, we got the BMS RS3, we got my G80, my new to me G80, my old 340 that Lorenzo owns now. We got Cat's M2, and of course, we got the BMS shop car on the trailer. Can't wait to see what this does in the half mile. You don't want to miss this one. This one's going to be awesome. Alright, and we got the whole crew out right now. As you can see, Wifey, Jacob, Kat, all these guys, and then we got these guys over here, right there. Let's go see what Cannon's predictions are. How about that? Cannon.
What's up?
So what is this G80 gonna do?
In
what
the half mile?
Half mile.
What's it gonna do?
Your guess.
The G80 is gonna do 171 mile an hour.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
171. What did you
Thank
say?
you. I said 170.
70?
170, yeah. What do you think, Jacob?
What?
What's that car gonna do half mile?
I'm dumb as fuck and I have no idea, but I could guess.
Take a guess.
How much is it making?
It made 730.
164. You think it's gonna do more?
Well, think about it. What's his name did 17 or 160?
Who?
Jason. Jason did 163.
Okay. I take it back here. I'm gonna say 174.
Okay.
I'll add 10,
I'll take that.
10 more.
I'll take
miles.
that. All right, let's see everybody else. Babe, what am I gonna do in half mile?
Fucking eat them up. That's why.
Yeah. 165.
165. Come on, Lorenzo. What's
$175.
this guy gonna do in a half mile?
175.
I'll take that. I'll take
day.
that. Papa Builds, let's go. Okay, Cannon's gonna go be stupid right now in the middle of the night. Rip it, sender. For sure, the cops are gonna get called.
Right to jail.
Oh my gosh, that's it. Park it there, buddy.
Right to jail.
All right, man. Do you know what the fuck you're doing here?
A little bit.
You think so? What do you think?
There's a lot of fucking
You look
settings
worried,
in here,
dude.
And I don't fucking know.
What's going on here?
You can do so many things. No, I did my own the first time on my own.
Yeah.
My name is Jeff.
It's not that hard. It's
Okay.
Just like go to just go to the highest setting.
Yeah.
You know, the highest map. There's three
Max
maps.
it
There's
out.
0, 1 to 3. Put it on 3, and then change a couple little things.
And
in
that's
there.
it? Okay. Sounds
Right.
Just max it out, I guess.
Sounds like you got it there, bud.
Right? Am I wrong? Right or wrong? Or no?
What?
Am I doing something wrong?
No, I don't know.
You've done this millions of times.
Yeah, I know, but like, what are you fucking with? What settings are you fucking with?
I'm increasing the line pressure bump.
No.
Don't do that?
No,
my
you don't
God.
do that. Yeah,
Oh
well,
my god.
turn that shit off.
The next morning.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting ready to head out. It's actually really nice. It's gonna be 100 today, but I mean, right now it's like pretty nice. So start packing up and we'll head out. We're in line, ready for our first run. There's a lot of cars out here, and there looks like there's some pretty fast cars. So yeah, we'll see who we're gonna race first. 160 half mile. It hesitated in 6 for some reason, so I'm gonna go look at the log and then we'll go back out again. Left lane. 164.
164?
I know that felt faster.
Yeah.
All right, so we just got back from our last run. We did a 164, as you've seen. Car is definitely getting faster. It's feeling a lot better with boost. What was happening is 5th gear, the boost would drop and it would just take a while to catch back up. So Terry's fixing the flash and we're gonna let the car cool down a little bit. But as you can see, we have all the cars behind us. Freaking great day. It is a little hot, but man, it's just a blast doing this. And I feel like this is gonna be better content instead of just seeing me weld all the time. So, we going out?
Making some changes here. We're gonna go center on 20 PSI on a different flash.
Don't forget to turn that camera on there, buddy.
I know, right?
Got Jason's car here. So what's up, Jason?
What's up, man?
How'd you do so far?
Best time of 161.6, but we're trying to beat 164, which is what my M4 will do. If we can beat that,
You'll be happy?
Yeah.
Then we got Pine's car. This car did a 168 so far, which is wild. We got Mrs. Cat over here, M2. Then we got another M2 right there. There's so many cars here right now, it's crazy. We got my G80. Love it. But yeah, this is something you've never experienced. It's a blast just to be around all the cars. I mean, you don't really meet a lot of people. I guess you can, but you just have fun. You know what I mean?
A few moments later.
But I'm nervous.
Alright. Once you get it over with, it's fine.
I'm scared. Oh, you're gonna shut the air?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's funny, right now, we're racing my own 340. You gonna win or what? You gonna win? Never mind, they can't hear me. Okay.
Too soon, Junior. And we say bye-bye.
right, so that wraps up today. Did it. We did a 167 or a 168. That was the highest. But on a good note, I was able to race the 911 Turbo. I got it by a 1/10 of a second. But yeah, I'm super stoked. Today was a great day. It's freaking hot out here, but the cars did great and I had a ton of fun. Thanks for watching.